In Digha Nikaya, there are long discourses, suttas, like Brahmajala Sutta, Samanyapala Sutta, Mahanidana Sutta, Mahaparinibbana Sutta. They are fairly long suttas. In Majjhima Nikaya, there is medium length suttas. They are also contain the important doctrines of the Buddha as Digha Nikaya. In Samyutta Nikaya, there are suttas. They are short. They are not like long like Digha Nikaya and Majjhima Nikaya. So Samyutta Nikaya, the suttas were combined with each other. There is a combination of suttas or the doctrines. And Khuddaka Nikaya is very short suttas. Khuddaka Nikaya contains small stanzas and short lines. In that way, Dhammapada, Jataka stories, Petavattu, Vimanavattu. In that way, there are short descriptions in Khuddaka Nikaya. In Anguttara Nikaya also, it contains very important doctrines of the Buddha. They are also very short suttas. If they are very short suttas, they are contain deep meaning in all those suttas in Anguttara Nikaya.